In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage pages in your Shopify store. Whether you're setting up your site for the first time or just looking to make some updates, understanding how to manage your pages is essential. Let's dive straight in. First, you'll want to start by accessing the Pages section in your Shopify dashboard. From the dashboard, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side. You'll see an option labeled Online Store. Click on that, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appears. From this drop-down, go ahead and click on Pages. This will bring you to a screen where all your existing pages are listed, giving you a clear view of what's currently on your site. Now, to create a new page, look for the Add Page button on this screen. Clicking this will open up a new editor where you can start building your page. Begin by giving your page a title, something that captures the essence of the content you're planning to create. It could be anything from About Us to Our Mission. Once your title is set, you can start adding your desired content. This can include text that tells your story, images that represent your brand, or even videos. When you're satisfied with what you've created, make sure to hit the Save button to keep all your hard work intact. You might also find yourself needing to edit an existing page. Perhaps you want to update your standard contact page or any other page you've previously created. To do this, simply click on the title of the page you want to change from the list of existing pages. This will open up the same type of editor you saw when creating a new page. Here you can make any changes necessary, whether it's updating the title or modifying the content. Remember to save your changes once you've finished your edits to ensure everything is up to date. With your pages created and customized, the next step is to make them accessible to your visitors through your store's menu. For this, you'll need to access the Menu section. Again, from your dashboard, navigate to the left-hand menu and this time click on Content. Within that, you should see an option for Menus. Click on it and you'll be taken to the menu screen. Typically, you'll see options like Main Menu and Footer Menu. Assuming we're adding this new page to your main menu, since that's the area most customers will see, click on it. To add your new page, find the Add Menu Item button. In the pop-up window that appears, you can type the name of the page you created. As you start typing, it should auto-suggest the right page. Select it from the search results and then click Add to insert it into your menu. Don't forget to save the menu to ensure your changes take effect, and there you have it. With these steps, you've not only created and edited pages, but also seamlessly integrated them into your Shopify store's navigation, making it easier for your visitors to find the information they need. Happy selling!